What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of everything home services. I came to you earlier with the video in regards to salvaging parts, and I figured, hey, I would shoot this quick one. For those of you who've never seen the inside of a frequency drive, this is a frequency drive, and I am gonna, since I'm taking it apart to salvage some stuff, I figured I would show you what it looks like for those who are interested. So this is just the controller. In here you have some terminal blocks. You have the plug behind here. And here's the door. Now normally I wouldn't even consider trying to replace the parts on a frequency drive, you know, but this is just for those of you who just wondered. I had a intern with me a couple days ago. No, this was last week or so, when we first found the drive and discovered the drive. There was an issue, and what I ended up doing, he asked me what it looks like on the inside, you know. So I figured if he's interested in what it looks like on the inside, hey, maybe somebody else may be interested too. Ribbon cable that connects to the back of this terminal here that holds the terminals and the plugs to go in. Inside you can see the board right there. And I do not have my tool with me to open this up. Let's see if a Philip will force it in there. I need my star. So, but as you can see, this is the ribbon back here. I'll take this cage off so you can see what's behind here as well. This is just the heat sinks on here. So I would have to take off this so you guys can see the board. But if you can look right here, if you look at these wires right here, you can see what was running up to in this board here, where it started melting. So I can suspect back behind here, if I open this up, I'll see some more damage. As a matter of fact, I'll grab what I need and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is about as much as I'm gonna break this thing down. But as you can see, I mean, there's board back here, heat sinks behind it. You see where it fried there, the terminals. I was trying to get to it to see, you know, where these lead, so try to determine what kind of fried it. But overall, if you wanted to see the inside of a frequency drive, there you go. All right, YouTube family, thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed day.